Let's take a look at finding the population coefficient of variation from data using Excel version 16. First I'll type my data in. 2, 8, 11, 17, 25. And remember, coefficient of variation is standard deviation divided by the mean times 100. So I need to find these two. I could do this all in one formula, but I'm going to do them separately. Mean, population, standard deviation, and this will be your coefficient of variation. Okay, so for my mean, I'm going to click the FX here. And if your statistical isn't showing, you do the drop down and choose statistical. And we want average. So I click OK. I could type in A1 colon A5. I'll do that this time. That's the range of data I want right there. And then click OK. And that gives us our mean. For population standard deviation, I'll click here and I'll click my FX. Statistical should already be showing. And I'm going to go down to standard deviation. And we got standard deviation.p and standard deviation.s. Standard deviation.p is our population standard deviation. And I click OK on that. For my number here, I'm going to click in A1 and hold down my left mouse button and drag down to A5. And you see it puts A1 colon A5 in for me. And then I'll click OK. So now our coefficient of variation, we're going to do an equals because we've got a formula. And if you see it, you can just type it in, but you can also click it. Like we want to divide standard deviation, so I'm going to click D4. Then I'll do the divide symbol by our mean, which is D3. So I'll click D3 times 100 and press enter, and that would be our population coefficient of variation.